Hey guys, Wix100 here, and welcome to another programming resource video. Today I am going to show you Repl.it. Repl.it is a neat website that allows you to collaborate when coding. It allows you to collaborate with a team. So if you click Start Coding here, actually first, you want to go to Repl.it. Repl.it. And so then you'll be sent to this page and you can hit start coding, and it wants me to sign in, so I'm going to skip past that and sign in now. So I'm now signed in. I just used my Google account to sign in, which I apparently hadn't used that specific account for this before. But now you can click New REPL, and you can choose among all of these different programming languages. I am just going to choose C# because that's easy, and then you can name the REPL whatever you want. It has a randomly generated thing there. I'm just going to say test REPL and create, and it's now created this REPL that the address is repl.it/@wix100/testrepl #main.cs. Don't try to go there. By the time you go here, this REPL won't exist anymore, but you can have files over here and the code here, and you can run it, and it runs on its servers and then shows you the output. So it says like there, hello world. To my knowledge, I don't think you can run a Windows Forms application here, but you can do a console application. There's version control. You can sync it with your GitHub account and have it synchronized with a repository. You can change the theme and indent spaces. I like to do 4 spaces, etc., etc. That could be changed per user or per REPL. So it's just great for collaborative coding. And so you know how if you're using Google Docs, you can see everyone's changes all at once? It's exactly like that here. If someone else was typing up there, I would see it, although that was obviously me typing, but you get the idea. It would show someone else's cursor and I would see their typing as they type. So REPL is a neat website for collaborative learning. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, bye.